Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is our special series on daily news review. In our previous video, I asked few questions, so let's see their solution first. So the first question was, which of the following country was not the founding member of SCO? And the correct answer for this question is Uzbekistan. The second question was, the main aim of SCO is to generate cooperation between member nations on, and the correct answer for this question is resolving border issues, economic cooperation, countering terrorism. The last question was, in which year Kuno National Park was established as wildlife sanctuary? And the correct answer for this question is 1981. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. The Vice President of India, Shri Jagdeep Dhankar, visited Madhya Pradesh to attend Martyrdom Day of Gondwana ruler Raja King Shankar Shah and his son Kubar Raghunath Shah, and also addressed the first Justice J.S. Verma Memorial Lecture. Mr. Dhankar said that I bow to the great heroes born on the holy land of Madhya Pradesh on the Martyrdom Day of Veer Shiromani Raja Shankar Shah and Kuvar Raghunath Shah. He further stated that Madhya Pradesh has the largest tribal population in the country. It is a matter of joy that the central and the state government together are making serious efforts to empower tribals. Shankar Shah and Raghunath Shah are very important for Madhya Pradesh PSC examination. So I would request you all कि आप जाकर इसके लिए separate notes बनाकर prepare कर लें, क्योंकि हमारे देश के उपराष्ट्रपति जी ने इनके बारे में जिक्र किया है, इनको मेमोरियल दिया है, तो ये कहीं ना कहीं हमारे एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. Let's understand something about Shankar Shah and Raghunath Shah. They were the descendant of Rani Durgavati of Gond clan. The father-son duo led the revolt from Mahakaushal region. They fought the Battle of Patan and Bargi against Britishers on 8th of September 1858. They were captured and killed by Britishers. While addressing first Justice J.S. Verma lecture, the Vice President said that late Justice Jagdish Sharan Verma will always be the best remembered for path-breaking judgments and ideas that have empowered citizens and enabled the government to overhaul institutions for the larger welfare of the people. He also said a strong, fair and independent justice system is the safest guarantee to the flourishing of democratic values of all in the country need to realize that nobody is above the law. When we talk about Justice J.S. Verma, we remember him for his landmark judgments in Vishakha and others versus State of Rajasthan and others case, in which he judicially structured the mechanism for adequately providing for specific protection of women from sexual harassment at workplace. Also, Justice Verma Committee was constituted to recommend amendments to the criminal laws so as to provide for the quicker trial and enhancement punishment for criminals accused of committing sexual assault against women. जस्टिस वर्मा कमेटी की जो रिपोर्ट है दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसके की हाईलाइट्स हम एक एक करके समझ लेते हैं. सो फर्स्ट थिंग वाज रेप. It widened the definition of rape by including non-consensual penetration of sexual nature in this definition. The committee recommended that non-penetrative forms of sexual contact should be regarded as sexual assault. The offense should be punishable with 5 years of imprisonment or fine or both. Next, the committee talked about the acid attack. The committee opinion that the offence should not be clubbed under provision of grievous hurt, but shall be inserted as a separate offence with harsher punishment. Next, the committee talks about the child sexual abuse. It recommends that the term harm and health be defined under the Juvenile Justice Act 2000 to include mental and physical harm and health respectively of the juvenile. Next, it talk about the medical examination of a rape victim. The committee recommended that the discontinuation of two-finger test, which is conducted to determine the laxity of the vaginal muscle, and this is the landmark decision that this committee has proposed. So next in the news is Indian Council of Agriculture Research under its National Agriculture Higher Education portal and with the support of its Crop Science Division is organizing Hackathon 3.0 Kritigya on promotion innovation for precision and economical animal farming. This initiative aims to help the crop sector achieving the desired immediate result by fostering employability, entrepreneurship, innovation and problem solving skills. Additionally, it will encourage the nation to adopt more technologically advanced solutions. The event invites proposal for novel, unconventional and disruptive approach to solving problem by utilizing crop science related technologies or method. Speed breeding for crop improvement will be the main topic of the problem statement and solution. We should also remember that Hackathon 1.0 was related with promoting innovation in farm mechanization, and Hackathon 2.0 was related with innovation for precision and economical animal farming. Union Minister Jitendra Singh presented INSPIRE, that stands for Innovation in Science Pursuit for Inspired Research Award, MANAK, that stands for Million Mind Augmentation, National Aspiration and Knowledge, to 60 startup and financial support to 53,021 students. This award is instituted by the Department of Science and Technology, and these innovators will be extended complete incubation support for their entrepreneurship journey. The scheme aims to help build a critical human resource pool for strengthening, expanding the science and technology system and increase the research and development basis. Finally, the Delhi and Punjab government have joined hands to use Pusa biodecomposer, which is a microbial solution that can decompose paddy straw in 15 to 20 days on 5,000 acres of land in the agrarian estate to prevent subtle burning, which is a major cause of air pollution. Paddy straw burning in Punjab and Haryana is one of the biggest reasons behind the alarming spike in air pollution level in the national capital in October and November, as farmers set their field on fire to quickly clear off the crop residue before cultivating wheat and potatoes. Additionally, Punjab generates around 20 million tons of paddy straws annually. CSIR's popular science magazine Vigyan Pragati receives Rajbhasha Kirti Award. Vigyan Pragati is one of the best popular science magazines that is released by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research since 1952. This monthly Hindi publication imparts the knowledge of the recent national, international science and technology related developments, discoveries, innovation, technological advancement in the form of article, feature scientific fiction, science poetry, quiz, science tunes, and document and dramas. This magazine aims at communicating science and technology to the masses in a very simple language. Aspirants of different competitive examination can use this magazine as an authentic source of information of science and technology. Indian Railways observes Swachhata Pakhwada from 16 September to 2nd October. Swachhata Pakhwada is an important part of the Swachh Rail Swachh Bharat mission with the objective of making Swachhata everyone's responsibility, establishment and in the train. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button, comment your valuable feedback and also press the subscribe button to never miss any update. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.